So, okay. 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 Hi everyone. So today we're gonna create our first demand gen, and let's go to my dashboard. So we're gonna start over here, new campaign, and our objective is leads. So if you have the same screen like me, I have already two conversion settings. So I just choose the conversions that I wanted to use. And this is what I'm gonna use. And this one, I have to delete them because there are two. So I focus only here, workshop sign up. Then our objectives, not here. Our campaign types, not on the video, but we will go to the demand gen. And let's start new one. Let's say this campaign is international. Let's just say international. Today is 4/27. Okay. Let's copy that immediately because we will need in the ad group. So we focus on the conversion because it's where we get the people. And immediately, we don't need anything here. But let's just say I will put the budget 56. This is just for creation, okay? Later, when we already publish, I'm gonna edit the budget. So we're done with it. I'm not gonna put any end date. And immediately, I'm gonna set up here the language and the location as well. Just save those. And let's say I'm gonna target one country. Actually, in the demand gen, you can just target one country. But I'm living in Europe. For me, it always works for me, the international, lots of countries. So I'm gonna set today 15 countries. And for you, you can check in your place, okay? Because for me, it always works for me, the international countries. I tested 3 countries, but it didn't give me leads. So it always works for me, the international. Let's say the Canada. I'm gonna put also Greece. Let's say France, Italy, Spain. Those countries works for me. Sweden, Netherlands, Germany, and what else? Germany, I have 9. Germany, let's say we'll target UK, Ireland, and Malta, Holland. So we have 13 countries, so that's fine. Okay, the language, I'll target English because all my videos are English. I focus only on English. So my phone devices is just on the phones. I have to remove those computers, tablets, and screens, remove those. And I wanted to run my ads for the whole day, so I will not touch anything there. And let's proceed to create our ad group. So the same name, And the first one. And here we go. You have to focus here, okay? As you can see here, it says here all Google channels. This is included 4 platforms. Don't skip on here, but let me choose. Tick this let me choose, and it will give you the options to target only on YouTube. See, this is the YouTube. It will run your ads in YouTube stream, in feed, and in shorts. So let's remove the Discover, the Gmail, and the display ads. Because you see the platform, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But we focus only on YouTube, so we will tick the let me choose, untick the Discover, Gmail, and Google display ads, and focus only on the YouTube. Okay? So we're done with that. Let's save on it. And we have to create our audience because I have ready audience and I wanted to target the same. I'm gonna use them. Okay, I have this audience here. I just copy that one and remove change the name, change the same. I'm gonna put the same name with my ad. And as you see, as I have already here I set up my custom segments. Okay. Whoever you want to target, that's what you focus. For example, I'm working in the retail. As you can see in my social media, in my Facebook, I always mention about retail workers and cashiers because those are my targets. Okay? So as you can see here, I have 5 billion in the audience that I have set up. Those are all the things that I set up. Okay? All these URL here are all about retail and cashier workers. Everything here, all these keywords here are all about retail workers and cashiers. And also here is the URL. So we're done with that. I just show you. And this one is the go-getter. These are about moms who want something new. Okay, also combination of ordinary moms and who wants to have a side hustle. So that's it. And I'm not gonna put anything here. I don't want to retarget the one that I have before. Also the lookalike, I will not set up anything. But if you want to use this one, you can just click here and browse here your targets. And also here, if you want to target the what happened with my laptop? With your old lookalike segments, you can set up here. And if you want to target the interest, you can set up here. Okay, everything here. Everything here, you can just target those. Very easy. You don't need, because this one, I set up really for, I don't know, before I set up my ads, I think really the deep within me. Who are my targets and who am I? That's why I set up this before I created my campaign. But if you want to target with the interest, go over here. Or you can just pick here whoever you want to target. Okay? So we're done with it. And my targets are just, let me show you my other. So only female. 35 to 54 on this additional demographics. I'm not gonna tick anything because my target is fully about parent. And this, I will not touch anything because I'm targeting international. Okay, so if you want to target same like how I target, don't touch anything here. Just the status, parental status, just the age, and those one. Okay, so let's save that. We're done in this side. So here is the audience. And one more thing, always be careful with this to untick. Always untick the use optimized targeting because this will focus all the ages for everything. We want to focus only in our audience here. So we have to untick this box here. Okay, let's just save that. Save here. And So we're done here, right? And we'll go down, go to add one. Now we're almost done. So also here, focus in here. From here, from the single image ad, because this goes to display as, you have to take the video ad. Okay? And the same here, the same name with what we created. So all the same. International, so all the same, right? And let's go over here at Merly. Maybe is this the one that you're asking? I hope so. But in this area, you just need to take the link of your website. You just copy that and go over and paste it on here. No, not that one. This is the one that we are creating. This one. Paste on here and you're done. And in this side, I don't want to show a screenshot from my website because I want them to see the whole website. So I just untick that and ready to create the video. So I have my other YouTube now, and this is the one that I am using. This works for me. This is just 1 minute and 52 seconds. So this is the first video. Okay. First video is in. This size, as you can see, is landscape, right? 16 by 9 size. Now, we're gonna put also the shorts, which is the TikTok design, Reels design. I have 2 square, 2 TikTok design, and 1 landscape. Okay, so where it is? Okay, not this one. So this is a square. It's a square video, and it's 2 minutes and 16 seconds. So let's just get the link. The square video is ready. Let's go over. Then we take the TikTok design video. This is TikTok design, 1 minute and 47 seconds. Let's get that one. Okay. Oh, sorry. And here. Okay, so we have 3 videos, right? 1 more video, and we're done. Here. 1 more video. This is also square. So 2 square. I put only 4 videos this time. I have 1 landscape. I have 1 square. I have 1 square here, 1 TikTok, and 2 square, really. 2 square, 1 landscape, and 1 TikTok size. Okay, so we're gonna check this, take this one, the 4th video. And there we go. So we have 4 videos. And all of these are working, but you can always put 1 videos only. But you will see later you see this add strength incomplete. If you put 2 or 3 videos in your campaign, you will see the difference after. Okay? So now let's go down. I don't remove this one because I am at my work, working as a cashier, and this becomes my logo as a cashier because they are my target. Okay, so my videos are vertical in here and shorter. So they will show all to the YouTube screen or on the TikTok size or in the reel size. It will show order. Now let's go to the headline. We get here before the. So I have the ready one here. I'm gonna use the same because the data is there already. I just copy them. I have 5 headlines ready. 2, 3, 4, 5. Just copy them all. Okay. Copy this what, and also before you create your ads, you have to create first, you have to set up your, you have to be ready with your headlines, okay? Your headlines, your 5 long headlines, you have to make them ready so that you will just do like this, just copy paste, and it's more easy for you to do your ads, to create your ads. So 3 headlines, 4. If you are not working in the cashier, in the retail company, don't copy my headlines, okay? Because this is just for my own target. So we have the short headlines. You can, here in the long headlines, it's okay that you will create only 4 headlines. It will still show you a good ad strength. But for me, I decided to put all the 5. So, oh, we have our first long headlines. Long headline 1. Then long headlines 2. Okay, long headline 2. It's ready. Let's open another box. 4 and 1 more. So we need the other 3. Okay. Another 2 headlines. My husband is snoring. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Okay. So our long headlines is created. Now we'll go to the description. Okay. Sometimes my laptop is stuck. Okay. Let us check the ad strength. Ad strength is almost over, almost complete, right? So let's copy this second description. Let's open the other boxes. One more. And let's paste here. Let's copy the other description. See here? I just put 2 description and the ad strength is excellent already. But if you put only 1 video, no matter you put 5 long headlines, 5 headlines, 5 description, your ad strength will always good. But if you complete 4 or 5 videos, your ad strength become excellent. So we have more. This is not the right. I got confused. So let's check the other. This is the ad that we are creating. It's still incomplete. Sorry for that. Okay. Almost. One more. To become an excellent. One more. And we have an excellent ad. And my laptop is again hanging. Okay, we're done with it. Let's just paste on here. And let's check the ad strength, still incomplete. Because we have to put our call to action. So I'm gonna use the learn more. It's inside over here. And also with your business name, you have to put a business name that is aligned with all your social media. Okay. So for example, my Facebook page is Maria Papasava DigiLife Journey. So what works for me is Maria DigiLife Journey. It's only equivalent to 25 characters. I did test another business name, but I was disapproved. So I decided to align my business name here and my social media business name. And also my name in this account is, it doesn't show here, Maria DigiLife. Oh no, in my YouTube. In my YouTube account, my name also there is aligned. See, Maria DigiLife Venture. I aligned all my social media in my ads. So let's go back there. My business name is Maria DigiLife, and let's just paste on here because that was approved already. Now let's check again our ad strength. Excellent. You see, it's already excellent. 4 videos, 5 long headlines, 5 headlines, and 5 descriptions. The ad strength is excellent. Now, the last part. I have the site link already ready. I just need to add them. I have 5 site links already. So I just add them. And we're good. We're done. We're done. Go to review. Let's check if everything is good. So all is good. As you can see here, right? All is good. And let's publish the campaign. 1, 2, 3. Voila, we're done. Now, because I have added a very high budget, I just need to change into 5.56. Okay, we're done. Right? We just need to stop the recording. Stop the recording.